Wow, friends, look. This is Mighty Morphin Red Power Ranger.
Ninja, reveal! What? It's morphin' time! Ninja spin! Rangers ready!
Wow, red and white color combination Red Power Ranger. Wow, friends, look. This is Captain Marvel action figure.
Captain Marvel!
What is up, Avengers? Are we having fun tonight? How about some fireworks to keep things going?
Put it down my collecting basket. Wow, friends, look. This is Thor action figure. Put it down my collecting basket. Wow, friends, look. This is Captain America action figure. Wow, super duper Captain America action figure. This figure, put it down my collecting basket. Wow, friends, look. This is THANOS action figure. Purple color. Wow, friends, look. This is Ronin action figure. Put it down my collecting basket. Wow, friends, look. This is Venom. Red and black color combination Venom. Wow, friends, look. This is black color Batman action figure. Wow, look. This is Iron Man action figure. Wow, friends, look. This is Superman. Friends, look. This is superhero Flash action figure.
Destroy everything.
My name is Kara. I will help you.
Interesting. Oh, this rips!
Friends, look, this is Ant-Man action figure. Wow, friends, look. This is Hulkbuster action figure. Wow, friends, look, this is Black Panther action figure.
I have seen gods fly. My son, it is your time.
Show me my respect and bow down.
You get to decide what kind of king you are going to be.
Wow, friends, look, this is THANOS action figure. Friends, look, this is superhero Batman action figure. Wow, friends, this is another superhero action figure. Friends, look, this is big size Hulk action figure. Friends, look, this is Black Suite Spider-Man action figure. Friends, look, this is Hulkbuster action figure. Friends, next on my collect, this is Spider-Man action figure. Friends, now I collect super duper Aquaman.
You are part of something deeper. You are the bridge between land and sea.
So friends, this is Ant-Man action figure. Wow, friends, look, this is superhero Green Lantern.
To me, he's not gonna play fair.
Let's get it.
In black and white color. Wow, friends, look, this is superhero Venom. Wow, friends, look, this is THANOS. Superhero action figure. Wow, friends, look, this is Iron Man superhero
Really? We will see about that. Yeah, let's get you up to Neil.
action figure. Friends, look. This is Aquaman action figure.
If you seek my power, journey beyond the edge of the world to the hidden sea.
So friends, last time I collect super duper Black Panther action figure.
My son, it is your time.
Show me my respect and bow down.
You get to decide what kind of king you are.
So dear friends, it's our total collection. Bye.